Welcome to Beautyistic. Are you tired of flossing that just doesn't quite do the job? Maybe it's time for something more effective and a little easier on your mouth. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Reach Pop Dental Floss and Reach Interdental Brush. Extra tight 0.7mm 10 brushes bundle. An innovative tool designed to boost your oral hygiene routine with some impressive features that claim to up the game. So, if you're looking for a better way to clean between those hard-to-reach teeth, this could be a game changer. Before we dive into my experience with the product, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you never miss an honest beauty review from Beautyistic. Let's start with a brief overview. The Reach Pop Dental Floss isn't just any floss. It's designed to remove up to 30% more plaque, thanks to its 14-degree angle inspired by dental instruments. The angled brushes promise to cover 75% more surface area in a single motion, getting into those tight spots we often overlook. Plus, it's eco-friendly, packaged in post-consumer recycled plastic, and the floss itself is PFAS-free, cruelty-free, and coated with vegan wax. Perfect for those looking to keep their oral care routine in line with sustainability and ethical choices. Now, let's talk about how it actually performed. I started using this floss as part of my regular dental care routine, and the first thing I noticed was the unique design. The 14-degree angle really does make a difference, especially when it comes to reaching those upper and lower incisors, as well as the molars. It took way less effort to get into tight spaces without having to open my mouth so wide, an unexpected bonus for my jaw, which can sometimes get a little sore during flossing. I also noticed the floss didn't shred, which is a huge plus for me, as I've had my share of frustrating experiences with other floss brands. The Reach Interdental brush included in the bundle is designed for tighter spaces. It made brushing between my teeth feel much more thorough, and the design allows for easy motion. While it's not as comfortable as a regular toothbrush, it does the job efficiently and with far less effort than I expected. So, what are the pros and cons? Pros: effective plaque removal. I really felt a difference in how clean my teeth felt, especially between them. It definitely lives up to the claim of removing more plaque. Shred resistance. No more frayed or broken floss, which is always a relief. Ergonomic design. The 14-degree angle means less strain on my jaw, which is a big win for comfort. Sustainable packaging. I love that it's packaged in post-consumer recycled plastic, which makes me feel good about my purchase. Cruelty-free and vegan. Wax coating. Great for anyone conscious about ethical choices in their products. Cons. Brush size. While the interdental brush works well for tighter spaces, some might find the brush head a bit small for larger gaps between teeth. Limited quantity in the bundle. It's a 10-brush bundle, so if you're looking for something more long-term, you may need to restock sooner than you think. As for value for money, I would say it's on the higher end for floss, but considering the sustainability and extra benefits like shred resistance and plaque removal, I think it's worth the investment for those who prioritize both effectiveness and ethical choices. In terms of build quality and longevity, the floss and brushes feel solid, and they're durable enough to last through regular use. The design is thoughtful and not flimsy at all, especially the floss. It's built to last and doesn't break down or become ineffective like some other floss brands I've tried. Customer support hasn't been something I had to test myself, but based on the brand's reputation, I'm confident that they're responsive to any inquiries. If I ever had an issue, I would expect them to handle it professionally, given their solid reputation in the market. At this point in the review, I'd love to know, is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. Alternatives? If you're looking for something similar but more budget-friendly, there are other eco-conscious brands that offer floss with sustainable packaging, but none that combine the shred resistance and the precise angle design that the Reach Pop Floss offers. If you're after something simpler, you might consider an affordable floss that lacks some of these additional features, but still gets the job done. To wrap things up, The Reach Pop Dental Floss and Reach Interdental Brush Bundle is an excellent choice if you're serious about your oral hygiene and want a product that goes beyond the basics. Its thoughtful design, combined with sustainability, makes it a standout. For those with tight spaces or who struggle with traditional floss, this could make a noticeable difference in your routine. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, the link to purchase is in the comments or description box below. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.